Hi! In front of me is Xiaomi 11 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can add screen lock on this device. Firstly, open Settings and scroll down. Now you need to choose Passwords and Security, tap on Screen Lock and pick one of those login methods, pattern, PIN or password. I want to set up pattern, so I have to tap on it, wait 5 seconds and click on Got it. Now enter your login method and repeat it. When you're ready, choose Confirm at the bottom right corner, and if you wish to add your fingerprint right away, you can do that by tapping on Add. But I don't want to, so I will go with Cancel, and now, when I turn off my screen, then turn it back on. Icons that pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!